Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to configure VAT settings in Zoho Books. This is essential for ensuring your business complies with tax regulations and accurately tracks VAT on all your transactions. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to the Zoho Books login page. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrative access, as configuring tax settings requires proper permissions within your Zoho Books account. After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on this icon to access your account's configuration options. This is your central hub for managing all the backend settings that control how Zoho Books operates for your business. Once you're in the settings area, locate the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in taxes to quickly navigate to the tax-related options. You'll find this under the Taxes and Compliance section, which houses all the tools you need to manage VAT, tax rates, and other compliance requirements. Now click on the Tax Settings tab within the Taxes pane. This is where you'll configure the core details of your VAT setup. On the Tax Settings page, you'll need to enter your tax registration number. This number is crucial as it identifies your business to tax authorities and ensures all invoices are compliant. Next, select a label for this tax. This label will appear on your invoices and reports, so choose something clear like VAT or standard VAT depending on your business needs. After entering your registration details, scroll down through the page. You'll see several sections including TDS, reverse charge, tax tracking account, and tax override transactions. Review each of these sections carefully. Depending on your business operations, you may need to adjust settings for reverse charge mechanisms or set up specific tracking accounts for different tax types. Take your time here to ensure everything aligns with your accounting requirements. Finally, once you've reviewed and adjusted all necessary settings, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will apply your VAT configuration across your entire Zoho Books account, ensuring all future transactions are processed with the correct tax treatment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.